what's going on this week?
Yes, so welcome to day 4 of the EEF project. So what we're doing this week, we started on Monday the 5th of January, and it was to remove the existing 7-tonne electric arc furnace, which you can see behind us in the foreground, which is currently being removed and is getting cut up into reasonable sized pieces to allow suitable disposal. So this week's gone very well. Furnace is out. We're now at the preparation phase for next week. So in Tico, the furnace manufacturers are actually coming on Tuesday. So by which time the whole of the area will have been cleaned, prepared. The horizontal racks that the furnace actually sits on will have been prepared and will be mounted. So next week, to my right, which we may see later, is the new furnace which will start installation on Tuesday, and we envisage that to take about 2 weeks.